Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to teach you how to make ball game 2 on Scratch. So first let's start with the sprite. The sprite we're going to use is the ball, then paddle, and we're going to draw a sprite. Box and like that. After that, draw a box, a rectangle, put it down really low, just like that, a little more low, and I'm going to add no outline like that. After that, I'll just rename this sprite one into laser like that. So I'm going to set the paddle size into 150, ball size into 125, like that. I'm going to choose a backdrop. The backdrop is going to be neon tunnel, like that. So let's start with the coding part. Let's start with the laser. When green flag is clicked, I want it to go to this position, like that. And then paddle, for the paddle, when green flag is clicked, I want it to go to let's see, 0 and minus 115. Let's see. Yes, that's it. And then I'm just going to edit the paddle. Edit paddle, select paddle, and then make it a little longer like that. And then for the ball, I want to make the paddle move. So let's see. One space is clicked like this, right arrow, and I want it to go to change x by 10 by 15. I'm going to duplicate this, duplicate here, change it to left, change it to minus 15, like that. So now we have a moving paddle. Great control. And now we're going to code for the ball. The balls for coding the ball is a little hard. And when green flag is clicked, let's see, we'll go to 0, 140. Let's see, like that. And then point in direction 45. Make sure it's 45. And then let's add a forever loop. And let's see, move 15 steps. Oh wait, move 15 steps, and if on edge, bounce, like that. There we go. We have a bouncing ball. And I want it so when the ball hits the paddle, I want it to bounce. So let's code that. Green flag is clicked. I'm going to add a forever loop and add an if. So if the ball is touching the paddle, I want it to turn 180 degrees, and I want it to play sound, boing. Let's see if that works. And it works. Like that. Give me a second. Yes, let's start it again. Yes, that really works. And what happens if it touches the laser? Let's see. Exactly, nothing happened. So we're going to make that happen. add another if, and if touching the laser, I want it to bounce to 180, just like above. And let's play sound alert. Going to choose sound alert. Yes, let's play sound alert until done. And I want it to, if it touched the laser, I want it to be game over. So let's paint a backdrop, play this one and duplicate this one, convert to vector, add text, game over, set fill into yellow, and the font is going to be, where's the font in this thing? Font is going to be pixel, like that. Make it a little bigger. Wait, this one here, like that. That's perfect. And then with the ball again, and I'm going to switch backdrop into neon tunnel 2, like that. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's supposed to stop all, so I forgot to add stop all, and the game stops, game over. I'm going to delete this block first and stop all, switch like that. Okay, and so we already know how to lose. If you touch the laser, you lose. But how to win? So we're going to add a score. So let's see. We're going to add a variable. Score, like that. And when the green flag is clicked, I wanted to set score to 0. And I want it, every time it hits the pedal, it will change the score by 1. Change score by 1. Like that. So every time it hit the pedal, it will change score by 1. But the backdrop is still game over. So that's why when the green flag is clicked, I wanted to switch backdrop to the regular neon tunnel, like that. And then so the scores just keep increasing every time it hits the pedal, but there's nothing happens. We need a way to win. So let's add another if here. Go to the bottom, if, and add an operators. And let's see if the score is 15. If you reach the score 15, and then I wanted to play sound tada. Let's add tada. Just like that. I wanted to play sound tada until done, and I wanted to switch backdrop into, we're going to add another backdrop, and it's going to be duplicate, and it's going to be, the text is going to be excellent, like that. That's it. Make it a little bigger, like that. And then I wanted to press the ball to switch backdrop into neon tunnel 3 and stop all, like that. And there we go, we have a ball game. So that's it, everybody. That is how you make ball game 2. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Okay, bye guys, see you at my next video. Bye.